Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 33 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to use inline objects inside of Adobe InDesign. So for that I'm going to go into file and then I'm going to go into place right here, and then there comes my picture. So I'm going to select the desktop picture right here and press open. So now what happens is that nothing happens. Let me just import that out properly. So I'm going to go into place and then replace selected item is on. So just select this, press open, and now you can see that I can click and drag the texture just like that. So I can actually now move this around, as you can see. But if I were to move something in the text just like this, you can see, and press enter, nothing actually happens because now this is not the part of the text. So to use this as an inline text, just copy this, just cut this. So I'm going to press Ctrl X, or you can go to edit and then press on cut. I'm going to zoom in onto my section where I want to paste it. Let's say, for example, I want to paste it over here and press Ctrl V. So now this is an inline object. So I can move backwards, as you can see, and if I were to type in, you can see that this text now, this image now actually moves along with the paragraph itself. So that is how you can use inline text inside of Adobe InDesign. So what I can do is I can resize this by pressing Control right here. So if I want small graphics that moves along the text just like this, or I want to create some symbols over here, you can see that I can simply type in then, and that creates an inline text right over there. So I can copy and paste this into different sections of the paragraphs just like this, so that you can see that this is how inline text actually works inside of Adobe InDesign. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.